also had a conventional automobile. And with that one, it required regular oil maintenance, all the fluids and things a standard car has. With the electric vehicle, I didn't have anything but wiper fluid and tires. Those are literally my only expenses. The brakes aren't even used because they brake at under 5 miles an hour. So the motor is doing all the work. So Tesla has used a proprietary connector to charge. This is not a Tesla charger, so Tesla supplies the adapter. And so to charge it, you pop the charging port open, you take your adapter, connect it, then go ahead and get it to charge. So in 2015, when I did get my first car, I did have to go charge my car at home and go and come back. Chargers were hard to find. Today, in 2020, they are readily available. You can find them there. Even Tesla has the chargers in town. In this new era, PG has been very gracious to help install chargers. You can find them at Electric Avenue downtown, Milwaukee, Hillsboro. You'll be surprised where you see them and how often you see them once you get the electric car.